See when I ride a bumbo.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
So I know you probably look at this and probably think, oh, well, this is cute. Oh, it looks fine. And looks can be deceiving. I'm not going to say, like I said, the hair is not that great and it's not that bad. But mainly the hair is extremely dry. And I did not get a good batch of hair. Be cautious once again. And this is pretty much how the hair turned out. When you curl it, as you can see, it looks a little bit more silky. It looks better. It looks like it has a little bit more life in it. But all honesty, like the hair is just, it's shedding like crazy.
She a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Na me a dancing. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time. I never waste time, them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. She a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Na me a dancing. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Call me emergency. Original Batman. One time. He's Bugsy baby. Vicus, mix and mix it. Yeah, no. Leg up.
When I ride a bumbo.
It's fake kills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's Bugsy baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one. Them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh yeah. Go low. Man a tell him me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Na me a dancing. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Call me emergency. One time me na never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. Bad man run the show now. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Na me a dancing. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run
See when I ride a bumbo.
It's fake heels.
One time, one time, one time.
Standard.
Baby. One time, one time. But baby. Lego, Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one. Them a step in on me yard, them a enter. Them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man I tell him, me them go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, on the show now. Oh yeah, see these girls them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger.
Yeah.
Man figure, me nah run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Nah me a dancing. Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me nah run digger. One nigga say really one digger. Call me emergency.
One time me nah never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Bad man me a wanna lover. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man me a never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time me a never waste time. Them a girls, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh. Man a telling me they go. See the girl, them a slow. Bad man on the road. See these girls, them go down. Ooh wee, bad man on the show now. Oh yeah, see these girls, them go down. Ooh wee, and a bad man run the show, and a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she
So pretty much this is the finished look. This is how everything looks. Honestly, I do like the look. I like the makeup, and I like the hair. But I will just be honest with you guys again. You know, I told you guys how it is, and I know when you do your research and maybe look online, you may not find exactly what you're looking for. But I'm just trying to keep it real with you. And honestly, like, I really don't want to bash the company because I don't want to put out negative energy. So I'm just going to say that I probably just got a bad batch of hair. I'm not going to say that the company is bad because I've purchased hair from them in the past and the hair was phenomenal. But I'm just going to say that right now, I don't know. I think I just got a bad batch of hair and the hair is just extremely dry. And I know that when you color hair, right? When you color hair, and when you do those certain type of things to your hair, you are risking it to be brittle, get more split ends, and it to break off and it to be dry. I already know those things. Something wrong with this hair. That's just all I'm going to say. So pretty much this is how it looks, you guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys like the makeup look. I had so much fun doing the makeup. It's rare that I do makeup looks up here, but I went ahead and just shot for it, okay? Leave down in the description below what I am rocking and what hair I got, but I will leave the rest, honestly, I will leave the rest up to you if you want to purchase this hair or not. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe. You already know what to do. If you want to subscribe. If you don't, hey, what it is what it is.
Gold digger, she a gold digger.